Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we've got some salt and we've got a volumetric flask. Okay, and we're taking some of our salt and we're putting it in our volumetric flask, our 50 mil. That looks like 80 mil. Okay, and we drop some of the salt. Okay, let's say that we drop Y grams. We dropped Y grams of salt. Okay, and let's say we were supposed to transfer X grams. Okay, so what's going to happen to the concentration of our sample? Okay, well, what were we supposed to make? What was our solution supposed to be? We were supposed to get X grams in 50 milliliters, right? This is what their concentration was supposed to be. Right? We wanted to transfer X grams. We wanted to put it in a 50 mil volumetric flask. Okay, we wanted X grams and 50 milliliters. What did we actually get? Well, if we dropped Y grams of salt, that means Y grams of salt didn't end up in the flask. So we ended up with X minus Y grams in 50 mils. Okay. So if we dropped X minus Y grams, is our solution more concentrated or less concentrated, right? Do we have more salt in 50 mils or less salt in 50 mils? Meaning, in terms of concentration, is X in 50 bigger, or is X minus Y in 50 bigger? Well, I think it's not too hard to realize that X is greater than X minus Y, just in general, whether we're talking about grams or anything, right? X is a bigger number than X minus Y. Okay. The fact that it's in 50 mils is kind of besides the point, right? That's not going to change anything just because we're dissolving it, right? So I think it's fairly safe to say X grams in 50 mils is greater than X minus Y grams in 50 mils, right? Okay, there we go. So the concentration, if we drop Y grams, will decrease.